there, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney, and today we're doing another Dollar Tree sign makeover. I'm making this Give Thanks farmhouse style sign from this Halloween sign, so stay tuned. My goal with this sign was to find something that I could use for Thanksgiving, especially because we do a lot of hosting during November, but I also wanted something that I could incorporate into my everyday decor if I wanted to, so that's why I like using just green and black on here, but you can use any color that you want. So grab your supplies and let's get started.
So you're going to need a Dollar Tree sign and a stencil. You can also freehand this. If you're using the stencil, you're going to need Mod Podge, paint of your choice of color, and a foam brush. If not, you're going to need something else to paint with, dependent on how you're going to freehand. So step one is to remove the hanging, because I'm going to change it to a different ribbon when we get done. Then I grabbed my number one favorite thing, Waverly chalk paint. If you haven't gotten on this train, what are you waiting for? This stuff is amazing from Walmart. And I hit this with 3 coats of chalk paint, let it dry, made sure I got the edges, and then I applied my stencil. As always, I will leave the PNG down below, but really with this block lettering, you honestly could freehand this, or you could use paper and transfer it the old-fashioned way. Don't worry, there is Christmas videos coming with those tutorials. I'm a little backlogged on my videos, but I heard you that you guys want tutorials without the Cricut, and I am going to make them for you, I promise. So once I've applied my stencil, I did the Give and the Laurel at the bottom in green, and then I did Thanks in black. Now, when you're using a stencil like this, you're going to want to make sure that you use up and down motions. If you go and swipe the brush or put too much paint on, it's going to just look like crap. So, PSA, it's just going to look like crap, and nobody wants that. So, after everything dried, I took off my stencil. Now, this is optional. You can use wood filler to fill the holes if you just want a sign. I did that in my Hocus Pocus video. I will link that up above. But I just went ahead and used some ribbon that I had got at Michael's eons ago, but I'm sure you can get something like this at Dollar Tree. And so now I can hang it, I can set it up like this, and I am so excited with how this turned out. It looks like something from Kirkland's, and it was $1. Holla for $1. Oh my gosh, I'm a dork, you guys. Nonetheless, I think this turned out amazing. You could use this really for any holiday, however you want to do that. Like I mentioned, there will be some Christmas signs without a Cricut coming up. Bear with me, coming soon. That's why you got to make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them.
And there you have it. I hope this inspired you to create your own DIY dollar store sign. If you do, be sure to tag me on social media, Whiskey and Whit on both Facebook and Instagram. And also, if you haven't subscribed already, hit that button down below, because I've got a ton more videos coming. I'm starting Christmas DIYs today as I'm filming this video, so get excited for that. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!